our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's close to every teenager's heart, their bedroom. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A teen bedroom refers to a bedroom designed and intended for teenagers. This typically includes a space that is personalized and decorated to reflect the individual tastes and interests of the teenager who will occupy it. Teen bedrooms often serve as a space for both sleeping and socializing, as well as studying and relaxing. Here are 10 reasons why decorating a teenager's bedroom is important. 1. Personal expression. A teenager's bedroom is a place where they can express their individuality and personal style. 2. Comfort. A comfortable and well-designed room can help improve a teenager's mental and physical well-being. 3. Organization. Decorating the room can create a more organized and functional space, reducing stress and increasing productivity. 4. Independence. As teenagers grow and develop their independence, their bedroom can serve as a space where they can make decisions about their own personal style and taste. 5. Creativity. Decorating a room can be a creative and fun experience for teenagers, allowing them to experiment with different design styles and ideas. 6. Memories. A teenager's bedroom can serve as a space for creating memories and special moments with friends and family. 7. Relaxation. A well-designed bedroom can provide a calm and relaxing environment for a teenager to unwind and recharge. 8. Learning. Decorating a room can also be an educational experience, teaching teenagers about design, budgeting, and home improvement skills. 9. Boost self-esteem. A personalized and stylish bedroom can boost a teenager's self-esteem and sense of pride in their space. 10. Preparing for adulthood. Decorating a teenager's room is a stepping stone to preparing for adulthood and developing skills in decorating and home organization. Whether you're just moving into your first apartment or looking to revamp your space, we've got some amazing teen bedroom ideas for you. Idea 1. Wall decor. Let's start with wall decor. A simple, yet effective way to personalize your space is with some unique wall art. Try using a combination of posters, framed prints, and DIY projects to create a gallery wall that showcases your personality and interests. You can also paint an accent wall with a bold color or add some wall stickers for a fun and playful vibe. Idea 2. Furniture. Furniture is an essential part of any bedroom, and it's important to choose pieces that are both functional and stylish. Opt for a comfortable bed, a versatile desk, and a cozy armchair to create a space that's perfect for both studying and relaxing. Consider incorporating multifunctional furniture, like a bed with built-in storage, to maximize your space. Idea 3. Lighting. Lighting can have a big impact on the overall mood of a room. Use a mix of overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A string of fairy lights, a chic pendant light, or a stylish table lamp are all great options. That's it for our teen bedroom ideas. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know which idea was your favorite. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content from us. Thanks for watching.